Hi, my name is Lena. I'm doing the exam number 2 demonstration. For question number 1, it said to go through the final and pick a question that you missed and try to solve it. So I picked question 2B and 2C. Start off, the equation is fx equals negative x to the 16th power, x plus 3 to the 24th power, and x plus 3 to the 45th power. And we were supposed to find the x-intercepts. So I started off by getting each power separately and equaling it to 0. And then eventually we got 0, -3, and 8. And that is also how we found the odd, and even in the graph to see if it crosses or if it touches right here. So the x-intercepts for 2b is x equals 3, x equals 0, and x equals 8. For 2c, it asked how to graph without a calculator. So first I saw that it was a polynomial function, meaning the domain is all real numbers. For the next step, I got the odd, even, odd to see if the points on the line, if they cross or if they just touch. For C, I added up all the powers together and, simplified it, and eventually we got negative x to the 85th power. As you can see, 85 is odd, negative x is negative. So that is how we tell which end goes where in the graph. And eventually we get something like this. For question number 2, it says create an exponential function with the following properties. It has a horizontal asymptote of y equals 3 and range of -infinity to 3. Explain how you came up with the formula. So for part A, it says plot the data on the GeoGebra, and this is what it came up with. Part B, it says do the points look like some sort of exponential function? Yes, it does. As you can see, it has that shape. It's positive. For part C, let's try to create a function that models the data. So what I started off with, it said, let's suppose it looks like fx equals a times b x. Find a and b by solving the system equations fitting the function with the data points 0, 1.5, and then 1, 4.07. So what I did, I just plotted them into the equation. So for f1, we did equals a times b to the first power. Putting that in, we actually eventually get 4.07 equals 1.5b, and then we divide 1.5, and then b equals 2.71. For 0, it equaled out to 1.5 because these were already given. For D, it says plot your function. Is it 100% a match? What might be the error? It definitely, doing the math, it definitely did match. This one is literally the exact same one as that one. I said an error might occur because it is approximately to the value of function of x according to the value of b. Thank you.